Okay guys, how's it going? Today is another day, today is another job, and today I'm going to be swapping the winter tires over to summer tires. So first thing we do first is we're going to take the valves cores out, which I've already done on all these tires. And then we've got to break the beads. So we bring the tires over here, making sure to keep the sensor at the top. And then when I put it around, move it to the bottom so that this thing isn't interfering with the sensor. We don't want to break it. Take the center cap out. We got to put this guy in to hold it down. Screw that into place. Now this bit's really important because you want to protect the sensor at all times because these guys are really easy to break and they're very expensive. So I'm going to put the sensor at just before 12 o'clock, and then I'm going to put my arm down, snap into place, bring it up, and then now we've protected the sensor. We're going to head around. Boom. Now we've got the top unmounted. We need to get the bottom up and get the tire off. So we're going to use the arms here. Well, too far out. There we go. See there? Spin it around. There we go. That's the winter tire off. We'll grab a summer tire. Now, these summer tires aren't directional, but there is a correct way to put them on. So we need to find the DOT number. I don't know if you can see it, but there's the DOT number, and we need the DOT number with the date on the outside of the wheel. Just so that if you ever do need to take note for like warranty jobs or anything. Oh, look, it even says right there, outside. And this is the side with the DOT and the date. So, gonna grab our lube it up. Be generous. Sometimes these are hard to get on, and if the bead doesn't want to snap into place, it can be an absolute nightmare. We'll check the rim here. It's not too dirty, so we don't need to clean that up or seal it. Which way were we? Inside, outside, there we go. So this time, protect the sensor. I'm just going to push it on. And then we want our sensor around here, around 5 o'clock. Put your arm in. And then you want to push down on the tire like this. And you want to keep it under the lip, because if it pops up, it's going to have a really hard time getting this last bit to snap into place and can even rip the edges. And you don't want that to happen. So keep it down like this. And there we go. Now we inflate it and we're going to hear 2 pops. And that's when you know that your tire has seated correctly. 1, 2. Get our valve core ready whilst it's inflating. There we go. These guys just screw into place. That's it. One summer tire and the winter tires are off. Thank you very much for watching. Just another quick little video from my day. I'm going to do the rest of these tires now. And yeah, hit the subscribe button and I'll have some more videos coming up soon.